How to cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop and go to the website named primevideo.com. After that, log into your Prime Video account which you want to cancel your membership. Now once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on the option Account and Settings. Now you'll be taken to this page where if you want to cancel your membership, you'll have to click on the option End Membership, which is right over here. And now it'll ask you whether you really want to end your membership or not. So if you want to keep your membership, simply click on the option Keep Membership. But if you really want to end your membership, you'll have to tap on the option End on something date provided to you. Let's click on it. And there you have it. You have successfully scheduled your subscription to end on your Amazon Prime Video account. That is basically how you cancel subscription. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.